In this video, I'm going to talk about having a specific desire when you want to manifest something. It's very important to be specific on what you want, because having vague desires will lead you nowhere. Instead, you must be specific on your desires. Just like Neville says, vague desires will bring you vague or scattered results. When you have a general idea of what you want, but you haven't really thought about it clearly, you haven't taken the time to imagine it in detail, to feel it or to see what it would look like and feel like if it were already true. It's just like saying I want things to get better, or I want to be rich, or I want to feel good. These are not wrong at all, but they are too general. Your mind doesn't know exactly what better or what rich or good means. Imagine you want to take a picture of something far away with your camera. If your camera lens is out of your focus, the picture will turn out blurry. So it's the same with your mind. If your desire is out of your focus, your results in life will also be blurry and not clear. Or let's say you go to a restaurant and the waiter asks what you'd like to eat, and you say just something tasty. And that's vague. The waiter doesn't know if you want soup, meat, or salad. So he might bring something you don't even like, maybe it's spicy, and you hate spicy foods. But if you say I want spaghetti with tomato sauce and no cheese, that's clear, you'll probably get exactly what you asked for. Vague desires are like telling life, just give me something good. But life doesn't really know what that means unless you know and imagine it clearly. That's why you have the consciousness to ask exactly for things that you want. And you have the connection between your 3D life, your physical body, and your inner world that brings things out for you to experience and enjoy. And also to live a noble, better, and free life, the life of your dreams. But if you choose and decide for the right things that you want to have. Manifesting vague desires is like this. A vague result is a result that is unclear, not exactly what you wanted, or not easy to recognize. If your original desire was not clear, then the outcome in your life might feel like something happened, but it doesn't really satisfy you. Or you got something, but it's not exactly what you hoped for. And you feel confused like, is this what I wanted? I'm not sure. And vague desires will bring you scattered results that are spread out in different directions, not focused and all over the place. And you will get a little bits of this and that. Some things may seem good, some bad, but they are not connected. You don't get one strong and complete result. You get many weak and mixed things. When your desire is unclear, your life cannot deliver anything solid or meaningful. It's like giving life a blurry photo and expecting a sharp picture to appear. Or it's like planting seeds without knowing what kind they are. You will grow something, but maybe not what you really wanted. So, when your imagination is vague, the results it creates will also be vague. Your desire is like a seed, but a vague seed doesn't grow a strong plant. You have to be clear, you have to be specific, to feel it real, and know exactly what you want, and imagine it as if it's already yours, in full detail. And this is how you change it. You must definitely have an aim in your life. Just as Neville says, without an aim in life, we drift. The moment you have a definite aim in life, everything moves in that direction. When you decide for a definite goal, the moment that you have made a clear decision about what you want, the moment you have chosen a specific goal, you have stopped being unsure or going in many directions. And now you know what you're after and it feels solid and certain inside you. And once you clearly know what you want, your thoughts will start lining up with your goal. Your feelings will start matching the version of you that already has it. And your actions will become more natural and guided. Even people, events, and opportunities in the outside world will start showing up to help you along the way, sometimes in ways that you don't expect. It's not that you're forcing anything, it's that your inner focus becomes like a magnet that draws the right things toward you. So right now, spend some days, relax and think about a desire, an aim in your life that you want to have. You better spend 3 days to decide for something. Then decide fast and change it immediately tomorrow. Then keep getting vague and scattered results. Because the very instant you become clear about what you want in life, when you make up your mind and decide this is what I'm going for, everything within you and around you will begin to move toward it. Life begins to organize itself around your decision. Imagine you are just living day to day, doing whatever comes up. You say, I wish life was better, but that's vague. So nothing really changes, you drift. Now imagine one day you say, I want to become a writer. I will write a book and share my story. That moment is powerful, your mind gets clear, and now you start having new ideas. A story will happen or it will unfold in your mind. You meet people who talk about writing, and you will feel drawn to books, courses, habits that support your goal. This is not magic, it's that your whole being is now pointed in one direction, so your energy is not scattered anymore. So decide right now. Okay guys, I hope that was clear, and don't waste your time and energy, and decide now what you want, and in your future life, you will thank yourself. Thank you and see you in another video.